Hey everyone, hey. I'm gonna start to unbox my package with my pocket knife. Oh, that's my ball opener. My pocket knife. Don't know why they always had a ball opener. And this is the big blade that probably cut my finger 2 years ago. Didn't really cut it off, but can't really complain. Oh shoot. And now we got a Star Wars thing with bubble wrap. Hey, there we go. Yeah. And we'll see what we got. And this isn't, oh wait, this is by Funko Pops. On Amazon it said Pops. It didn't say just Funko Pops. Okay, so here we go. In Delta, I'm gonna beat you, ha 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 ha. You can't beat me. I wonder what this one is. Okay. Okay. Now we take this one out. I'll let you know. I feel like there's more than one. Guys, this could be more than one. This could be the miniature Funko Pops. I was not expecting. But I only did one. And we got, what in the world? I don't even know these characters. We got 1, 2. Oh, don't tell me. We just got like one pop that was split in half that we have to put together. What a ripoff. But at the same time, you get what you paid for. And on second thought, this ain't really that bad. I don't know what this is though. I can't tell if it's a guard or what. But if I assume it's probably a guard.